Hi guys, this is DreadMagSX1 coming to you from a game called Starmade, and this is a tutorial on how to set up a turret and properly do it. Okay, you want to start off by having a docking module, well, a turret docking module, and I preferably like to have them upright, so I use the press control, the left control, and or whatever you assign it to, and then put it like that, so that way you have a box. Now when you see this box, that means your turret can only be in the size of this. So say if you wanted to extend it, we press C to select the docking turret, and then we just start building outwards with it. And you can make these turrets as big as you want. And what people don't realize is that when they mean by turret, the turret is not an actual turret that you just build. It's an actual hold on, I did that wrong. Just looked a little funny. But it's not an actual turret. It's an actual ship that you dock like you would dock any normal thing. So let's just say that's the shape of the turret we're gonna make. So you figure that out. Make it a little bit bigger because you want a pretty decent one. You can even encase this. This is just a demonstration on how to actually do it. So now I'm gonna get out of build mode for this, for the station itself, and I'm gonna find my way out of my little station that I have here. Yeah, this is my little base that I have going on, and then we're gonna find our little turret stations. So now you see that I have it built like that, and you can't see nothing like that. It's only when you're in a build mode you'll be able to see the actual perimeters of it. But I kind of know what it is, so I'm just not going to make a decent one. So I'm just going to call this T1. So that way we can start making a turret. Now, same thing like any other ship. You're going to need power. You can put shielding on it. You're definitely going to need, oh, I forgot one more thing that we're going to need. If you have faction modulars on it, you're going to need faction modules on it. You're going to need faction modules on it, but you're also going to need an AI. So this is the most basic turret you can actually make. And also, you're going to need a weapons computer and a gun. I'm just using that, and you could have faced that any way you want. That's the same. It doesn't really matter which way you face it. Let's go right here. So now I have to take this, and I forgot my faction module, which is inside my little base container. So yeah. Gonna go back in here, gonna take it out. We're gonna need one, and yes, there is quite a bit of stuff I have. That's because I've been playing the game for a while and make a lot of my own stuff. As you can tell, I'll eventually feature some of the stuff I'm making in these over here. So I'm making a lot of stuff on my own. Yeah, so that'll be in another tutorial, but for right now, let's get this faction module on there, since I have a faction, pretty much a faction base. I'm not really calling it a base. It's more or less a space station, but yeah, and that's one of the other ships I built last night. Pretty decent. Then you just go back into your ship, go into build mode, and you can place this anywhere on the ship, pretty much, and get out of the ship. Oh wait, I'm still in build mode. Get out of the ship, go around the back, and yes, I am part of the Taco Gods. Now we need to mount this. So by selecting your docking thing, your docking ship core, there you go, you're docked. And now we get out of the ship that is docked like a turret. Now we have to assign it as a turret though. Now you don't re-enter the core once you activate the Bobby AI. So we're gonna have to activate it, and it's gonna be set as a turret. Um, this one selects as a target. That means if you have turrets on your ship, but you want to, it's a turret right now, so we're gonna use it as a turret. So now any incoming pirates that come by, this cannon right here will shoot. And even though it looks kind of weird, it's because this I messed around with the way the things are faced to build the turret docking. But you can have them any way you want. You can set them up the way you want. And also you can arm these as you go. So if you know your radius on this, you can keep building onto this while this is docked. You don't have to undock it, but as soon as you enter it, you have to reactivate the AI. So make sure you know where your AI is at all time. You can make them as big as you want, as long as you have the docking enhancers, and that's the docking modular and the docking enhancers. So the more you have these, the larger the area you can make a turret. Any ship can be used as a turret as long as you have the enhancers correctly done. Thank you guys for watching, and there will be more videos.